Oh, how
We'll
sweet.
continue seeing.
I would love to read these love
Outside of
letters.
the.
So how do you feel like after coming to Bangladesh? Like
First, you tell me how you are feeling. Are you all okay? Everybody is okay? Okay, no, there's no
no
stress. No, there's no stress. I feel very good. I've never been to Dhaka before, so I was very excited to come for this event because I really wanted to see the place and, of course, meet all Bollywood lovers because I know that people here love watching Bollywood films. So, of course, for any actor, it's very motivating. So, I feel really good and I hope that I can come back again. No, actually, I want to be both. I want to be a great actor, and of course, I am a heroine, I think. So, no, I disagree with you. I think I'm both. Yeah.
so Pariniti, what's next? I mean, do you have any more plans to come in Bangladesh and doing something more like films or music or anything special?
Right now, nothing is confirmed. But like I said, I would love to do it today. Earlier, somebody asked me if I would like to do a Bangladeshi film, and I said, why not? I mean, films of any language are films, and I love performing. So if I get a great offer for anything, I'll be back and I'll be here.
Well, would love to know about your experience working in Bangladesh from day one to last. I mean, like everything, funny thing, sad thing, interesting thing, which will remind you all the time.
My day one is today actually. I came today in the afternoon, so day one is still going on. And my experience hasn't been much because I've only been from the hotel. But coming to this event was very motivating. I was very happy to see so many people coming here to watch the show. Hopefully to see me, to meet me, which was very motivating. I felt really good. These are the kind of things that you take back when you go back to Bombay and you think of things. So I will take these memories back, and I know that I have to come back to Dhaka to meet everybody again.
So how do you see Bangladeshi fashion industry in your own way? I mean, is it compared to the up to the level if we compare to in the world? Something?
I'm not the right person to answer this question because I haven't been exposed to the fashion industry so much. I mean, yes, I've played a small part in doing this walk today, but it's been associated with one particular designer. So I will have to come here more and more to explore that.
That's good.
Yeah.
If you're an actress or good artist.
That I don't know. I'm a very spontaneous person, and I think I'm a spontaneous actor. So on set also I don't. I'm a spontaneous person, and in films also I'm a spontaneous actor. I think I don't like to rehearse a lot. So I think just finding yourself. I think if you find yourself and you realize what kind of an artist you are. Some people are very rehearsed, some people are very spontaneous. So I think finding yourself and showing it in front of the camera is what I believe in. I'm a fairly honest, I'm a fairly straight up person. So I think that's what I take with me when I go to a movie set, and I think that's working. So I would say to everybody who's an artist, just show yourself and it'll be fine. Learn Bengali in 5 minutes.
আমি বাংলাদেশকে ভালোবাসি। I love Bangladesh. That's all. আমি বাংলাদেশকে ভালোবাসি।
Okay, I'll say that first so that I don't remember.
Yes, that will be the
আমি
বাংলাদেশকে ভালোবাসি। I love Bangladesh.
আমি বাংলাদেশকে ভালোবাসি। I've learned crash course in
Any last word
Bangla.
that you want
Yes, definitely. I just want to say that it was lovely coming to Dhaka, and I hope that you guys continue loving Hindi films as much as you guys do because it's lovely meeting you all. And please call me again. I would love to come back to Dhaka again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.